2024 Lexus RZ, release date, price, specs, pros and cons, features. The 2024 Lexus RZ is the first all-electric SUV of the Lexus Motors, which has been launched first time for the 2023 model year as the first generation. It is all new for the Lexus lineup. And this new Lexus RZ EV shares a platform with Subaru Solterra and Toyota bZ4X. The new Lexus RZ EV comes with a new and impressive bold exterior design with an upscale and spacious interior with more cargo space behind the second row. As well as this new electric vehicle is paired with a powerful electric powertrain that can generate a power of 308 HP. And also Lexus has claimed that it will give the best performance. For example, according to Lexus, the Lexus RZ EV can go 0 to 60 miles per hour in just only 5.0 seconds. However, the new Lexus RZ EV gives an electric range of only 220 miles, which can be better. And also its rivals offer DC fast charging. So if you want to know everything about the new Lexus RZ EV, then must read this article till the end. Because in this article we will know everything about it. For example, we will know that what's new for the 2024 model year, when it will be available, how much will it price, and we will know much more about it. The Lexus RZ is all new for the 2023 model year. So we don't think that Lexus will change anything in the 2023 Lexus RZ EV. So it is likely that Lexus will carry over it for the next 2024 model year. It may be that Lexus could add some new trims model for the 2024 model year. But Lexus has not confirmed anything about the next Lexus RZ EV 2024. However, if Lexus will release any official notification about the next Lexus RZ EV, then we will come back soon with its latest update for the 2024 model year Lexus RZ. 2024 Lexus RZ release date. Right now Lexus has not said anything about the next Lexus RZ EV, that when it will be available to order for the 2024 model year. So we can't provide you the exact launch date for the Lexus RZ EV. But we think that it could be available in the fall of 2023 for the 2024 model year. However, we will update this article as soon as possible when it will be available to order for the 2024 model year. So if you want to get the latest update notification from SUVBazaar.com, then don't forget to follow us on Twitter and Facebook. 2024 Lexus RZ EV pros and cons. Pros. First EV SUV of the brand. Standard AWD. Family-friendly interior. Spacious interior with more cargo space. Smooth and quiet ride. Cons. Range could be better. Charging time too much than more rivals. 2024 Lexus RZ price and trims. Currently, the 2023 Lexus RZ is offered in two trims: RZ450e Premium AWD and RZ450e Luxury AWD. The price starts at $59,650, which goes up to $65,150 for its top trims. So we hope that the next Lexus RZ could offer the same trims, but the price could be increased a little more compared to the 2023 model year. So here we have given its estimated price for the 2024 model year based on the 2023 model. Trims price, EST. Lexus RZ450e Premium AWD $60,000. Lexus RZ450e Luxury AWD $66,000. 2024 Lexus RZ interior design. The interior of the new Lexus RZ EV is the most simple and luxurious. Lexus has removed many buttons and switches from the dashboard and doors. But also Lexus has relocated those things in the latest infotainment system. As well as the new Lexus RZ EV's interior is more spacious and luxurious for such a crossover SUV. Also the new Lexus RZ EV comes with enough rear seats legroom space by which anyone can easily sit inside without any trouble. So the interior of the new Lexus RZ is good. As soon as someone steps inside the RZ, they'll notice its interior bears a striking resemblance to the new RX or NX. However, unlike those models, the RZ utilizes more eco-friendly materials and places less emphasis on wood grain and leather. In our evaluation vehicle, the ultra-suede interior was an optional feature, covering the seats and certain parts of the door panel. It's incredibly soft to the touch and exudes a sense of luxury. Along with its passenger space, it comes with more cargo space by which you will be able to put your suitcases and bags behind its second row seats. For example, it comes with a cargo space of 34.9 cubic feet behind the second row. And if you need more cargo space, then you can easily fold its rear seats, after which you will have enough cargo space for your bags and suitcases. 2024 Lexus RZ EV motor, power, performance. The RZ450e is equipped with an all-electric powertrain which Lexus has named Direct 4. This arrangement features a dual motor and produces a total output of 308 horsepower, with all-wheel drive as standard. While the acceleration is reasonably swift, according to Karen driver test drive showed that it doesn't quite match the heart-stopping performance of its competitors, such as the Jaguar I-Pace and the Volvo C40 Recharge. And Lexus has claimed that the new Lexus RZ can go 0 to 60 miles per hour in just only 5.0 seconds, which is good. And according to the Karen driver test results, it takes 4.8 seconds to go the same speed. So according to Lexus' claim, it is the right acceleration for this. So overall the new Lexus RZ 2024 will give a good performance. 2024 Lexus RZ EV range, battery, and charging time. The currently available Lexus RZ is packed with a powerful lithium-ion 71.4 kWh battery pack which is capable to give a long electric range of up to 220 miles on a single full charge. And if you choose 2.0 wheels then this range drops to 196 miles. So we think that its electric range could be better. The new Lexus RZ EV comes with 3 charging options. For example, first of all, it comes with a 120V Level 1 charging cable, Seconds 240V AC charging for home or public stations, and the last DC fast charging compatibility which can be used on public charging stations. If you charge it with DC fast charging then it can be charged 0 to 80% in just half an hour. And if you charge with the help of 240V public or home charge then it can be charged for 25 miles of range per hour. 2024 Lexus RZ EV infotainment and connectivity features. The 2023 Lexus RZ 450e is equipped with standard infotainment and connectivity features that are commonplace in modern SUVs and cars. Its impressive list of features includes a sizable 14-inch touchscreen display, complete with Drive Connect capability and cloud navigation. A comprehensive list of the RZ 450e's infotainment features is provided below. Lexus app. Wireless Apple CarPlay integration. Wireless Android Auto capability. Auto dimming outside mirrors with auto tilt down in reverse. 5 USB Type-C ports. Shadow illumination. Wireless phone charger. 2024 Lexus RZ EV safety features. The new Lexus RZ EV comes with more standard and advanced safety features for the 2023 model. So we expect that the next Lexus RZ EV 2024 will have the same safety features. First of all, the Lexus RZ EV comes standard with Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, with which you will get more standard safety features like pre-collision system with pedestrian detection and intersection support, lane tracing assist, lane departure alert with steering assist, road sign assist, all-speed dynamic radar cruise control with curve speed management, intelligent high beams. 2024 Lexus RZ EV colors. Right now Lexus has not said about the exterior colors of the 2024 Lexus RZ EV. But its 2023 model year Lexus RZ EC is offered in 7 exterior colors and 3 interior colors which are given below in the list. Iridium asterisk, Ether, Cloudburst Gray asterisk, Eminent White Pearl asterisk, Caviar, Ether/Black Onyx asterisk, Cloudburst Gray /Black Onyx asterisk. Interior color options. Palomino, Orange/Macadamia, Dapple Gray. 2024 Lexus RZ EV specs. Trims RZ 450e Premium AWD. Model 2024. Drivetrain AWD. Transmission ECVT. Power 308 HP. Torque 196.4 lb-ft. Seating capacity 5. No of doors 4. Top speed 120 miles per hour. Wheel type dark metallic gray and machined finish. Wheel size 18 and 20. Motor type permanent magnet. 2024 Lexus RZ EV dimensions. Length 189 inches. Width 74.6 inches. Height 64.4 inches. Wheelbase 112.2 inches. Curb weight 4,650 pounds. 2024 Lexus RZ 450e interior dimension. Legroom, front/rear, in. 42.1/37.5 in. Headroom, front/rear, in. 39.9/39.7 in. Shoulder room, front/rear, in. 56.9/54.3 in. Hip room, front/rear, in. 54.7/51.8 in. Passenger volume 94 cu foot. Cargo volume 26 cu foot. Conclusion. In this article, we have known about the next Lexus RZ EV. Like the 2024 Lexus RZ EV overview, what's new for 2024, release date, pros and cons, price and trims, interior design, motor, power, performance, range, charging time, battery capacity, infotainment and connectivity features, safety features, specs, and dimensions. We hope this article will be helpful for you. If yes, then must share it with your friends and family. Thank you.
But I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me